In the name of Allah, this is my first video in this channel, and sorry for my English is not well, but I wanna create some contents on live trades and archive them in the YouTube or on the YouTube maybe, and for myself really. But you can use it. Some of my knowledge, I will show you how to use your uh, knowledge for trading in real life, in real charts, not just for some tips, you know. And I will create my content in English and Persia to help my uh, Iranian friends too, and international language as well as English for helping other traders in other countries. So our trade base is on support and resistance, but we help from smart money through, and also decisions, and also point of view of the day. We are a day trader, so we always uh, discussion about how the traders on sessions acting. For example, today, and also we use AUD/USD or Aussie dollar in our channel most of the time, because AUD is far away the US session, so the chance can pull back to the point of the start of the money. For example, today is February 30. The day was started at this and goes down without any news. So when we don't have news and the chart is moving, it has to most of the time pull back the point of the start. Why? Because why the price is moving? Because of this logic think that price moves because of the news, not exactly scheduled news in Forex Factory or FX to so. But something have to push the price to up or down on our charts. But when the price is moving toward upside or downside, it has to move back when it doesn't any news or I don't know, something to push it from that special price of start of the day. So yes, this is all we have to do in future. Yes. ADC for this special day hasn't any news and moved downward. So why we move? Why the price is down? Nothing. So when the London and Frankfurt session is started, they will back and get back the price. This is the Frankfurt and this is London. London are seller and Frankfurt are buyer. So what they have to do? We have to wait and see what they intraday traders on the London session or in Frankfurt session, or in Tokyo or Australia session do. And after that, we uh, create our boxes on important areas, support and resistance, and we will trade on them. Look, why this? Why this is important? This isn't important for us, you know. We woke up at 5 or 6 a.m. every day, so we can't trade this. But we wait and see what they are doing on Frankfurt. Frankfurt pushing forward, pushing up, pushing up, London pushing down. So they are not at the same side. Yes, London is seller and Frankfurt is buyer. So what we have to do in this particular way, we buy in what caused to break this resistance. Uh, this is special. I don't know, FTR, FTC, something. We call this gere in our language. So yes, I will upload every day my live trading situation. Thank you, and sorry for my English. I try better in other videos.